Welcome. Thank you for joining me. My name is Alex. I am here with a 10-minute yoga flow that will focus on the core. So it's a little bit of stretching, mostly core work. We will begin lying down. On your back. Bring yourself to the present moment. Feel the upper back, middle, lower back, the backs of the legs, everything on the floor. Bring your awareness to the breath, to the present moment. Arrive. Reach the arms above your head, full body stretch. Exhale, sit up and fold forward over the legs. You can keep the knees soft if you need to or like to. Sit up, reach your arms out in front of you and slowly lower all the way down. Arms above the head. Inhale, reach. And let's sit up again. Reach the arms straight up for the ceiling. Find a staff pose with the arms up and fold forward over the legs. Sit up and lie back down. Reach the arms overhead. Hug both knees into the chest for a moment, shoulders away from the ears, hold opposite elbows. Or one hand on top of each knee. Bring the soles of the feet to touch, let the knees fall apart. Cradle your head with your hands. Keep the elbows wide. Let's crunch up 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Set your head back down. Bring the knees together and hug the knees into the chest. Place your hands, palms down underneath the lower back, and reach your legs up toward the ceiling. If this is too much, bend the knees. Tap the toes down, so I'll demonstrate bent knees. 1 and 2. Otherwise, legs are reaching up and begin. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. And about halfway left, exactly halfway through. 7 and 8, 9. Last ones. 10. 10. Hug the knees into the chest. Extend your legs away from you, arms reach overhead. Sit up, reach for the ceiling, and fold forward. Sit up, cross your feet at the ankles, and find a tabletop. one round of cat-cow. Inhale, press the feet down, the hands down, arch the back. Exhale, press everything away. Neutral spine. Extend the right leg back and up hip height. Keep the knee facing down and reach the left arm forward. Squeeze the core, squeeze the leg and the arm strong. And we're going to pulse the arm and the leg 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tabletop, switch sides, left leg back and up. Right arm reaches. Feel strong and stable. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tabletop. Let's do that once more to each side. Right leg back, left arm forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach and switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach. Tabletop. Tuck the toes, hover the knees, shift the weight forward 2 inches so that you feel the core and the upper body engage. Downward facing dog. Stretch out the upper back, the legs, shoulders away from the ears. Plank pose. Adjust as you need to. Keep the shoulders over the wrists. Smooth out the breath. Downward facing dog. Upward facing dog, ripple through. Stretching out the core. Press the tops of the feet down. Pull the chest through. Lower the knees. Child's pose. Press back. Make your way to a seated position. Roll the shoulders back and down. And lift the left arm up and over for a side body stretch. And lift out, sit up tall, and switch sides. Lift back up to center, both arms overhead. Twist to the right, float the arms down, draw the right shoulder back, sit up tall. Release through center, arms up, and twist to the left. Closing breath, reach the arms wide and overhead. Reach up, lengthen. Exhale, lower the hands down. Gratitude for the present moment. I am so grateful for your presence. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me. Until next time, namaste.